Nothing is set to launch the phone 2A Plus on July 31st. Before the official release, the company has been teasing key details about the device on its X account, formerly known as Twitter. You might be curious about the plus suffix. Today, we get our first glimpse into the puzzle, as the brand starts its signature teaser campaign, gradually revealing details before the official announcement. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus is also set to feature a special innovation that will distinguish it from its predecessor, the Phone 2A, and other devices in the same price segment. So hold on to the video till last for a bonus leak. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus will feature MediaTek's Dimensity 7350 Pro chipset, an 8-core processor clocking up to 3 GHz, making it nearly 10% faster than the Phone 2A. For graphics-intensive tasks, it will include the Mali-G610 MC4 GPU, which is said to be 30% faster than the Phone 2A's Dimensity 7200 Pro. This improvement promises enhanced performance for complex graphics and number-crunching tasks. Nothing has branded the Dimensity 7350 Pro as a world exclusive, though it's likely the standard Dimensity 7350 will appear in other devices. It's just the Pro version that's exclusive to Nothing and supposedly customized in partnership with Nothing. It was the same story with the Dimensity 7200 Pro in the Phone 2A, but there weren't any details as to what those supposed customizations were. The chipset, co-engineered with MediaTek, is based on TSMC's 4nm Gen 2 process, promising a 10% boost in CPU performance over the Phone 2A. Enhanced gaming performance is another highlight, with the company emphasizing improvements in this area. The new chip will enable 4K video recording on both the front and rear cameras, along with HDR images and HDR10+ playback. In a previous post on X, Nothing's co-founder Akis Evangelidis mentioned that the Phone 2A Plus offers more processing power and improvements that don't require changes to the hardware design. This suggests the Phone 2A Plus will maintain the same overall design and specifications as the Phone 2A, but may feature a larger display. Now it's time for the bonus leak. Speculation suggests that this might be the same device that originated from the Community Edition project, which has been in development for some time now. Official teasers revealed a design identical to the Phone 2A, but with a unique addition: green-tinted phosphorescent material on the back. This material emits a subtle glow in the dark, recharging in daylight and lasting for hours, similar to features commonly found in watches. This glowing effect can be practical, helping users locate their phone in the dark or making the device visible to others. Now you might wonder how the material works. So to put it in simple words, when exposed to a bright light, the electrons in phosphorescent materials become excited and drop to a lower energy level, where they remain for a period of time. When they eventually return to their original energy level, they release the excess energy as visible light. This glow usually fades slowly over time, but the material can be stimulated to glow again. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus is positioned to bridge the gap between the flagship Phone 2 and the mid-range Phone 2A, with an anticipated price of around $358. Also, this year, Nothing has postponed the launch of its flagship Nothing Phone 3 to next year, announced by Carl Pei on his official X account formerly known as Twitter. To fill the gap and keep the momentum, Nothing is planning to launch Nothing Phone 2A Plus. We could also see some AI features integrated into the Phone 2A Plus, because that is what the market is demanding right now. More information is expected to surface as the release date approaches. Feel free to share your thoughts on the Phone 2A Plus in the comments. If you enjoy the content, consider subscribing. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.